Frustrated by the Mscoree.dll pop-up signaling an orphaned system dependency? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. This DLL file is the Microsoft.NET Runtime Execution Engine. It acts as the primary shim library that detects the required version of the .NET framework and loads the appropriate CLR to execute managed code apps on PC. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The Mscoree.dll is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc tar scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Mscoree. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Remember that the Mscoree.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to the Mscoree and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft.NET Framework functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.